Welcome everyone. So today we are going to solve this particular question. Okay, there are literally two ways. Like I said, there are a lot of sums which you can do. One is you can do literally orally or within like 2 seconds, and the other one is proper method. So first I'm going to show you the proper method, and then next I'm going to show you literally orally or literally in your head or looking at your options. You can do both of the all of these with the second method. Okay, so the first one is what? Let's do the expansion here. So 3c minus 2 the whole square. We'll use the formula of a minus b the whole square, right? A minus b the whole square, that gets you what? A square minus 2ab plus b square. So this will now come out to be 3c the whole square minus 2 into 3c into 2 plus 2 the whole square equals to 17. So 3c the whole square, again, when you have two products inside and raised to a power, this power shifts individually to both the entities. Okay, so we'll have 3 square, that is 9. C raised to 2 gets you c square minus 2 into 2 gets you 4 into 3 gets you 6, and then this c gets continued, plus 2 raised to 2 gets you 4 equals to 17. Okay, I hope this is very clear. And I'm sure you all must have gotten an inkling that this looks like a quadratic. Only thing is you need to shift this 17 on this side of the equal to. So this then becomes 9c square minus 6c plus 4 minus 70 equals to 0. So this becomes 9c square minus 6, sorry, this is c plus, sorry, no, there's no plus because 17 is the greater number and the sign carried with 17 is negative. So 4 minus 17 gets you 13. Now this is where things will become very tricky, because now if you look, see 9 13 into 9 into 9, sorry, into 9, that's it. That's the only thing we have, right? Because in order to find factors you need to make this this coefficient of c square has to be either 1 or you multiply whatever coefficient you have with the constant. So now this 9 can be split into 3 into 3. 13 we can't split because it's a prime number. So now again 13 with 3 gets you what? 39. And then plus 3 minus 3, still you will not get your minus 6. Okay, and 9 and 13 also doesn't get you minus 6. So here we are stuck. So now what we'll do is that c, we'll write down again 9c square minus 6c minus 13. Sorry, here, sorry, this is not 6c. My bad, this is absolutely my mistake. I will just write this again. Here it is not 6c, it is actually 12c. Okay, so still if we do that, so 13 into 3 gets you 39. 39 minus 3 plus 3 will still not get you a 12. Okay, and 13 minus 9 will also not get you a 12. Okay, so going back here, like I said, this is 12, not 6. Okay, so this is 12c. So now since we know that we can't find the factors directly, so we'll use the method of what? Minus b plus minus root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. So now what is b? B is nothing but what? 12. Minus 12. So minus of minus 12. Then we have, sorry, then we have plus minus root of 12 square minus 4 into into 9 into minus 13 upon 2 times 9. So this becomes minus of minus 12 gets you plus 12 plus minus root of 144. 12 square is 144, and we have 4 in, sorry, 13 into 9. If we do, we get what? 117. And when you multiply that with 4, you will get 468. Okay, so but since there is a negative 4 and negative 13, so this will become plus 468. And 2 into 9 gets you 18. So now you have 12 plus minus root of 144 plus 468 gets you 612 upon 18. Okay. Now I can write this 12. Let's first try and find the factors of 468. Sorry, 612. 612. Now, see, understand when you're trying to find factors, let's try with the biggest number possible. Now, when you add 6 plus 1 plus 2 gets you 9. So, obviously, the number is divisible by 3. And since it's the ending at 2 means it's an even number. So, obviously, if it is divided by 3 and 2 means the number can be divided by 6. So, we'll get 102. Again, 102 is again divided by 3 and 6. So, we'll get 6. And I'm left with what? 1 and 7. So now see how easily things became. So this can be written as what? 12 plus minus root of 36 into 17 upon 18. Now I can take this 36 outside the root. Why? Because it's a perfect square. So I'm left with what? 12 plus minus 6 root 17 upon 18. Okay, so we have 12 plus minus 6 root 17 upon 18. Then we'll see that let's take 6 common from the numerator. So I'm left with 2 plus minus root 17 upon 18. So this is cancelling. My final answer is coming out to be what? 2 plus minus 7 root 17 upon 3. So you saw how we could do this with the normal method, but you also saw that I literally took more than 6 minutes to solve this particular question. So now, like I said, I'm going to show you a method with which you can do this literally in 2 seconds. See, this was your question. The next thing what you should be doing is we'll take square roots on both sides. 3c minus 2, taking square roots. So the root and the square root. Let me just do it in a proper manner. So you will have 70. But here you will have a plus minus sign. Why? Because a variable is involved on your LHS. Whenever there is a variable which is equal to something and you're taking a square root, in that case, you have to remember that there has to be a plus minus sign involved. So now, like I said, this is cancelling. So here I'm left with 3c minus 2 equals to plus minus root 17. In order to remove the numbers from both the sides, I mean from this side LHS, because I just want only C remaining. So I'm left with what? Just 3C equals to, I'll write this number ahead, it's easier. That's the practice which we follow. 2 plus minus root 17. Whenever you have a number, that will be written first and then the rest of the root is written. Okay. Now in order to find just the value of C, I'll divide both sides by 3. Therefore, I can say C equals to 2 plus minus root 17 upon 3. You saw literally within a minute, I could actually solve this particular question. Okay, and both of these answers are absolutely correct. Okay, so I hope you all have understood. There is this method, there is this method as well. Whatever works for you, you can choose. Okay, that's it for today. I will see you in the next video.